If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Scaleway, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure you have received any verification emails from Scaleway. Look for messages that may require you to confirm your identity or provide additional information. Step 2. Review your documents. Make sure that the documents you submitted for verification are clear and meet Scaleway's requirements. Check for any missing or incorrect information that could delay the process. Step 3. Resubmit your verification. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact support. If the status remains verification pending after resubmitting, reach out to Scaleway's customer support. Provide them with your account details and any relevant information to expedite the process. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, be patient and wait for their response. Verification can take some time, but they will notify you once your account has been successfully verified. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Scaleway. If problems persist, continue to communicate with support for further assistance.